mega shout out to all friends and supporters in YouTube land. This is Winston GeL, Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Coming to you today with another smoothie. Yes, another special creation in my cooking lab. Today I'm going to use spinach, yes, celery, yes, and parsley, and cucumber, ginger, pineapple, and honeydew melon. I'm going to make a special smoothie, a natural, healthy drink. So here is my ginger right here. That's my ginger. This is my pineapple. Yes. This is my parsley, greens. This is my celery right here. And this is my green spinach. Yes. And my cucumber. First, I'm going to make a very nice, tasty, delicious smoothie. And you'll be seeing this on the, yes, Winston GeL, Cooking and Discover TV on YouTube. Alright, so I'm going to cut up honeydew melon. Yes, I'm going to get it ready to go off the blender. Yes. It's very soft. It's very soft and it's very sweet. Very soft. Very soft and very sweet. This one is very juicy. Yes, I'm going to make a very nice, delicious, tasty smoothie. Yes, no sodas for me. No sodas, no bottled sodas, no canned sodas. Strictly smoothies. All of this to make my nice, delicious smoothie. You're watching. I am, yes, also Winston GeL Cooking, yes, on the YouTube platform. And I am Chef Winston GeL Cooking on the YouTube platform. Alright, that is the honeydew melon. I'm going to do the pineapples. So this is my special smoothie. That's my special. This is a fusion. So now I'm going to do the ginger. Ginger is the last thing I have left to cut up. Yes, cut the ginger. Slice up the ginger. Cut the ginger. cucumber. In Jamaica, they say cucumber. That's your cucumber early I'm cutting up. Alright. Now, alright, I'm gonna start with some cantaloupe. Not cantaloupe, honeydew, correction. Honeydew melon, yes. Very soft, very sweet, and juicy. I make two types of juicy today. Alright, so that is honeydew melon. It's very soft and very juicy. Very soft and juicy. Now I'm going to add some cucumber in there. Alright, so now I'm going to put some spinach. Okay, that other vegetable was parsley, now I'm putting some spinach in here. And now I'm going to put some celery. And some celery. Because the blender is stacked. The blender is stacked. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to add some water. So that was honeydew, cucumbers, parsley, and spinach. Alright, so I'm going to turn it on. Parsley. Spinach. Oh, it's so that's going to be complete green. Yes. Green smoothie right Alright, so this is my spinach smoothie. Get some sugar. So this is my spinach smoothie with parsley and celery, some ginger, and some honeydew melon and cucumber. Alright, so that's my spinach smoothie. So this is my natural juice.